Want to get that natural Korean glowy skin? In this video, I'll be showing you a few things that I've been using lately to help me achieve that clear, natural, glowy skin. But first, a disclaimer, this video is sponsored by Parnell. Parnell is a Korean skincare brand that is made in mind of people with sensitive skin as well as acne-prone skin. Parnell has also won multiple awards and ranked as top brand with quality skincare products. Their unique ingredient is Cicamanu, which is a blend of chica and manuka honey. Chica is also known as centella or tiger leaf in the beauty industry. It's very well known for its hydrating, slight brightening and soothing, as well as healing properties. Manuka honey is popular in New Zealand and has been used for medical purpose for many years. It's a great gentle natural remedy to help with wound healing, burns, and tissue regeneration. Although this video is being sponsored by Parnell, I will still give my honest opinion because I genuinely do enjoy using the products that I have here. And I actually do see results on my skin. Like, it really helps with the healing process of my sunburn and eczema that I had last week. I went for a company event, got myself burned like crazy, and it didn't help that I was also suffering from eczema. If you have been following me on this channel for a while now, you will know that I do care about ingredients because of my sensitive skin. And I always say, for your end, always know your skin as well. Be aware of the things that you are sensitive to and be aware of the things that your skin actually loves. So after looking through the ingredients in these products, I kind of knew that my skin probably will love them. So let's start with the first product that really helped me to clear off not only my flaky skin but also all the dead skin cells on the surface layer of my face. This is the Cicamanu Cotton Clear Pad. This has 100% pure cotton biodegradable pad with cotton seeds plus Parnell's original Cicamanu Biome Essence soothes and moisturizes the irritated skin, while LHA and PHA gently exfoliate for smooth skin texture. It's dermatologically tested, safe for irritated or sensitive skin. Simply put, this is pretty much a gentle chemical exfoliator. I personally do think that this is slightly even gentler as compared to the AHA and BHA, the ones that we know that a lot of brands are pretty much using right now. So if you guys have more of that sensitive skin but you don't really want to try AHA, BHA, a bit scared because you don't know how it's gonna react, then try this one out. This is definitely a little bit more gentler as compared to those. Other than that, of course, it has the signature blend of Cicamanu, which really helps to soothe the skin, really helps to heal the skin as well, and also help with that hydration properties. Because after exfoliating, after removing the dead skin cells, you want to kind of add back to your skin, like add good stuff back into your skin, and you want to ensure that you kind of don't just leave your skin bare. You kind of want to make sure that you protect your skin after removing the dead skin cells. Also, if you see the cotton pad, it's not your common round shape wipes. It is more of that oval shape, so it makes it so much easier for me to grab onto this and wipe it all over my face. Besides that, the cotton pad itself is pretty cool because it's unbleached, it's pretty soft, and also it doesn't rip off so easily. It doesn't give you that cotton residue after using it. Because of how soft it is definitely gentler on my sensitive skin as compared to some other cotton pads that I've tried. Other than wiping it across your face, you can also use the leftover to wipe other parts of your body. Or if you want to, you can also use this as like a spot treatment or like a hydrating mask. But I do recommend that if you have sensitive skin, you wouldn't want to leave this on for too long on the surface of your skin, because although it has the hydrating properties, it still has that exfoliating properties in there, so you wouldn't want to leave it on for too long. You should just leave it on for about like 5 minutes just to ensure that your skin is not over exfoliated, because over exfoliating is also a problem. After using this for a while now, I do see that it really helped me to clear up any sort of dry areas that I have with flaky skins, and also the bumps that I get from eczema itself. It really helped me to kind of smoothen that out as well. Personally, I also do highly recommend using this at least a few days before your big day or any sort of event that you want to go to, that you want to look your best. Use this consistently for at least a few days, and then make sure throughout the time when you're using this, also top it up with a good moisturizer to kind of really help re-moisturize your face of all the dead skin cells that you have lost. You really need to rehydrate and also put on sunblock. I can assure you that you're gonna get a really nice clear skin. If let's say you're a first-time chemical exfoliator user, I would say that you can immediately see the difference the next day itself. You can feel like your skin is already smoother just by using it the night before. They don't have add-on fragrance in here, which is great. They just keep their ingredients list to a minimal. They just smell like whatever that's in the ingredients basically. And I love the packaging as well. Of course, they have a place where you can put the thongs so that we don't lose it. I just hate it when like companies give out some spatula or thongs but then they don't really give you a space to put. I really don't like that. As like a wipe and chemical exfoliator, this is amazing. This is fantastic. It has definitely helped me throughout my healing process from my sunburn and also my eczema. Now, of course, even with clear skin, you want to cover up any sort of redness or you want to even up your skin tone. That's where the cushion comes in. These are the Parnell Cicamanu Serum Cushion. It claims to be non-comedogenic, which means that it doesn't clog your pores, and also it claims to be safe for sensitive and acne-prone skin. After using it myself, I will say that these have pretty high coverage. Even with just one layer, it can help you to cover up all the redness and even up your skin tone as well. Now for me personally, I prefer something with lower coverage, not too high coverage, mainly because I feel like a lot of time high coverage product always leave my skin feeling very cakey and thick, but this doesn't. This one actually gives me that very lightweight feeling on the surface of my skin, and if you let it set after a while application, it is quite transfer proof. Like it doesn't transfer too much, which is great. Now for the glow, if you're expecting that glazed donut kind of look, then this is not for you. This has more of that light, healthy, natural glow finish, which I personally do think that it looks more normal in real life, not as scary as a glazed donut, and I think it's more appropriate for everyday use. Because having a glazed donut face can sometimes come off as just being very oily in person. This cushion contains a whole bottle of their serum, which is full of their special patented formula Cicamanu Biome, which has extra hydration and soothing effect for sensitive skin. However, I will have to say that if you have more of that dry skin and you have that flakiness going on, then you will want to really prep your skin first. But I would say that for sensitive skin people and oily skin type people, this cushion is actually pretty amazing because it didn't irritate my skin, and it really feels like the skincare ingredients in here actually helps you to kind of heal your skin while you still put on makeup. Now this packaging is not the best packaging. I would say that it's pretty bulky packaging. I mean, most cushions are bulky. However, the packaging definitely gives out that first generation cushion foundation vibe. I wish that this cushion foundation actually comes with a higher SPF. It has a SPF of 45 PA++. I would like it if it can be a SPF 50 PA 4+, but oh well, better than no SPF. It only has 2 shades so far. The 2 shades are 21 and 23. For my skin type, I can actually use both of them, which is pretty cool. I didn't expect it. The 21 one gives me a little bit more of that brighter look. It has a bit more of that pinkish undertone, so if I want to look a bit brighter, then I will use the 21 one for that particular day. But if I want something that's closer to my skin tone and a little bit more natural looking, then number 23 will be the one for me because it has more of that yellowish undertone that gives me a little bit more of a normal human being look rather than that K-pop looking bright glowy skin kind of look. I will just pick the shades according to my mood and also depending on the event that I'm going for. Personally, I do think that these products are pretty amazing for people with sensitive skin specifically. If you have a lot of redness, inflammation, this will definitely help to soothe your skin and also give you coverage, not just clearing your skin, but also give you coverage and at the same time heal your skin. If you are interested, I do have a promo code for a discount of up to 30% on Parnell's products shown in this video. The code can be used on Parnell's Singapore website and Malaysia's Shopee Mall. Check out the description below for more information. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!